Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Mexican cornbread. Let's get to it. Brown you up a 16-ounce package of your favorite sausage. This is the mild. I believe the brand is called J.C. Potter. While that's cooking, mix you up a box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Go ahead and pour that right into your bowl. Go ahead and pour your sausage in your strainer, draining out the extra grease. To your corn muffin mix, add 1 egg. Then add 1/3 cup of milk. We're using whole milk today. Go ahead and give this a good mixing. Mix it all completely. Go ahead and grab you some cream style corn. We're going to add 1/2 cup into this mixture. After the sausage is done draining, go ahead and add that to your mixture. Go ahead and add your 1/2 can of cream corn. Go ahead and add you an 8-ounce bag of Colby Jack shredded cheese. I'm also adding a couple tablespoons of mozzarella. Give it all a good mix. For the spicy, we're going to add a tablespoon of jalapeno peppers. Not too much or you'll be regretting it later. 1 spoon should do it. If you want more spicy, add more. I'm going to add this into one of my favorite baking pans. It snaps on the side, so when you're done, you can pop it off and cut slices evenly. It's ready to bake at 400 degrees for 16 to 20 minutes. She's ready, y'all. Look how beautiful, crispy, and brown it turned out. You can see the jalapenos in it and the sausage. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this, y'all. Well, there you have it, guys. Make sure to go like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Love you guys. See you in the next one.